Here are some common mistakes to avoid during the UK visa application process. General mistakes. Incomplete application forms. Ensure all sections of the application form are filled out accurately and completely. Incorrect documentation. Submit all required documents as per the specific visa type requirements. Missing or incorrect documents can lead to application rejection. Inaccurate information. Double-check all information for accuracy. Inconsistent or false information can result in denial or a ban from future applications. Not meeting financial requirements. Failing to provide sufficient proof of funds or not meeting the financial threshold for certain visas can lead to rejection. Ignoring English language requirements. Ensure you provide valid proof of English proficiency if required for your visa type. Student visa, Tier 4. Late applications. Apply well in advance of your course start date to avoid delays. CAS letter issues. Ensure your CAS letter from the educational institution is up to date and matches your application details. Insufficient financial proof. Provide detailed financial documents showing you have enough funds to cover tuition and living expenses. Work visa, skilled worker visa, job offer and sponsorship issues. Verify that your UK employer has a valid sponsor license and that your job offer meets all visa requirements. Salary threshold. Ensure your job offer meets the minimum salary requirement for the specific role. Misunderstanding job codes. Accurately identify and use the correct SOC, Standard Occupational Classification code for your job role. Spouse visa, family visa. Insufficient relationship proof. Provide comprehensive evidence of your genuine relationship, including photos, correspondence, and joint financial documents. Financial documentation errors. Accurately meet the income threshold and provide complete financial documentation to prove you meet this requirement. Accommodation evidence. Show clear proof of suitable accommodation for you and your spouse in the UK. Specific document and process mistakes. Expired documents. Ensure all documents, such as passports and English language test results, are valid and not expired. Photocopy issues. Provide clear and legible photocopies of documents where required. Ignoring health requirements. Pay the immigration health surcharge, IHS, and complete any necessary health checks or vaccinations. Incorrect fees. Pay the correct visa application fee. Incorrect payments can delay processing or result in rejection. Application timing. Submit your application within the correct time frame and be aware of processing times to avoid overstaying or other legal issues. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enhance the likelihood of a successful visa application and minimize the risk of delays or rejections.